Design your own clipbook. It's time to create the refillable diary of your dreams with our personalization station. Start by choosing your cover size. Now select your cover design. Keep it beautiful with florals. Maybe you prefer monogramming. Or perhaps adorable pet illustrations are more your thing. Add a personal touch to your cover with a title. Pick the color and shape for your title to sit in. You can even choose the font. Whatever your style, we're certain we have the right cover for you. Design your own diary refill. It's now time to find out about our personalization station. Life is a celebration. Fill in with birthdays of loved ones. Never forget a special anniversary. The best thing about memories is making them. Add important dates or events by frequency. Input annual trips you and your family or friends take. Choose when to start your year. Pick the month to start and end your year and decide to begin your week on a Sunday or Monday. Make it your own. Add any national holiday by country. You have the option to select religious holidays if desired. Activity leads to productivity. Set aside time for a weekly fitness class. Define your priorities. Whatever your style, we're certain we have the right refillable diary for you.